Hello everyone. Now the question is weather observation station 5. This is very good question actually. So query the two cities in the station which the shortest and longest city names as well as their respective length. Okay. The number of characters in the name, the length is nothing but the number of characters in their name. Okay. If there is more than one smallest or largest city, choose the one that comes first when ordered alphabetically. Okay, if there is more than one smallest or largest, choose the one that comes first when ordered alphabetically. Okay, so now if you see like let's see an example here. So they have given a city, four cities. We have DEF, ABC, PQRS, and WXY. Now why ABC is getting printed? Because even though DEF, ABC all are WXY all are same length, but when come to alphabetical order, ABC holds the first place. So that's why ABC is coming into the picture. And largest length, let's longest length is PQRS. That's why it's coming here. Okay, let one more explanation. The explanation also given here very clearly. So now let me try to solve this question first. So first thing is I want city name. Select city and their length. Okay, and the length of city. So let from a table called station. So I'm trying to understand. I try to run this and let's see what is happening. It is processing actually. Oh, length is, so we want to type completely gth length. Yeah, then only it will work. Okay, this is giving me the length of that character. So now let's say to take a minimum one. So what can I do? I want to order by the length of city. Okay, I'm trying to run this now. So now yeah, so the minimum length is, we have multiple minimum length. Let's say Roy, Mo, Lee, both are 3 in length. So but the thing is, next sorting will be done based on the alphabetical order. So again, comma, next is city in ascending order. Now if you see here, I able to get the, yeah, so now this is the minimum one. Mo3 is the minimum one. So if I apply limit 1 and she is the minimum, so I able to get the minimum one, right? Mo3 done. But the problem here is you also want to get the maximum in the same output. So to get the minimum, we want to sort the data in ascending order. Let's say if you have not mentioned any sorting here, it's by default it is taking as ascending. If you want same answer in a descending, you want to go for what? City length of city name, order by length of city in descending order instead of ascending. I'm giving DESC. So next sort want to be done based on alphabetical order. Now to merge these two, I'm going for union. I'm trying to run this. It throwing me an error. What it is saying is you have a error as like error in your SQL syntax that corresponds to union. Okay. So now the problem is the limit will be always used at last. So now I can't use this union with limit directly. So I'm going for a subquery. Listen very carefully. Select star from. So instead of table, I'm using this query. So whatever the output I will get from this will be stored first. And after the union, I'm again passing select star from. So here also I am just closing it up and then I'm trying to run it up. See guys, very simple. So limit union is okay. So whenever you are using a derived table, definitely want to have one alias name as A. You can give any name you want. So the second table as B. Now I'm trying to run this. Very simple. We got the answer. Guys, listen. First thing is this is the way we got a first answer. That is a smallest length, a city with smallest length, and after sorting it in a ascending order. Now the second query is nothing but a city with the higher like longest length, right? Smallest and largest length, and we got these two. But the problem here is we want to merge these two as a single output. So what I'm doing, just I try to give union. It is not working out because limit function we can't directly use with union. So what I'm doing, I'm just using this in a subquery, select star from, this is the table 1, then I'm unioning with table 2. So now whenever you're using subquery in a, like you're using a derived table, right? There is no table. Normally we'll give table name after from. Here instead of giving table name, we are passing one subquery. So this subquery will return one answer, so that will be considered as the table. Now whenever you're using subquery to give a structure, you always want to use alias name. So I hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks everyone. So I'm just submitting this.